Welcome to Jam That Life music channel. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more inspiring music. Music you'll only find right here. Thank you ever so much for your support.
Bezies. This is for every queen who's ever poured her soul into love and still found the strength to rise above the storm. When love was tender, the air was divine. You'd pen me verses, call me your lifeline. But the seasons shifted and shadows grew. Your promises withered and your words turned untrue. I would call your name just to meet the silence, only see you drift back with counterfeit kindness. You came for affection but bartered in deceit with rehearsed alibis at my weary feet. No need for inquiry, truth's crystal clear. I am sovereign, radiant, I won't disappear. You gambled my trust and you lost your reign. This heart's no longer your domain. Oh, I'm too beautiful to rap for your lies, too regal to be starving. The scripture of your love was torn and breached. You held my heart like a pawn in play, but the cost was my joy, and I've paid that way. Nights I wept neath the moon's pale gleam, hoping you'd return and redeem my dream, but neglect is a prison, and I hold the and the queen.
Big respect to all my viewers for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed these tunes as much as I did. We're bringing back the real Jamaican reggae culture, the roots, the vibe, and the consciousness the world's been missing. So, tell a friend, share the channel, and subscribe for more music that uplifts the mind and moves the soul. Your support keeps the fire burning. One love.